The key elements of a parenting plan are we figure out who's going to be the primary conservator, which is the presumed to be the roof the kid's going to live under more than 50% of the year. Figure out who's going to be the possessory conservator, which will be the other parent. We figure out how that visitation is going to look. Who's going to pick up and drop off? Are we going to pick up from a parent's house? We're going to pick up from school. We're going to return to the parent's house. We're going to return to school, that sort of thing. Texas has pretty much already decided who gets which holidays. The family code's got presumptions built into it of which parent gets Thanksgiving, which parent gets Christmas, which parent gets a second half of Christmas, how we're going to rotate spring breaks, who gets birthdays, who gets Mother's Day, who gets Father's Day, etc. That's all set out in the family code. So it's fairly easy to figure out how we're going to settle most of the big holidays. If you've got special holidays, a lot of Jewish families want to carve out some of the holy days in that faith. And there's other faiths that have high holy days that people want to carve out. Generally speaking, you're going to have to do that either at mediation or you're going to have to make one heck of a case at court for the judge to recognize those and carve it out. So I've been asked about handling disagreements in a parenting plan. Well, parenting plans come about either through negotiated agreement where you agreed to the plan, or they come about through a court order and that judge is telling you what you're going to do. If you don't agree with that right up front, you could appeal the court's decision. Otherwise, you're going to have to live with it. Now, if some time has gone by and you no longer like the agreement because there's been substantial changes in the child's life, well, then you can go modify the agreement by filing for a modification. Texas parenting plans are flexible from the very first sentence in the final orders. They give the parents the ability to work with each other to come to agreements. And then the next set of words comes from failing an agreement, and it sets out a very orderly list of what's to happen in this parenting plan. If you've got any questions about creating a great, strong parenting plan for you and your post-divorce family, please give us a call at the Dohlen Law Firm. We'd love to help.